Hello friends and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to explore as to how to enhance students' critical thinking through online means. So if you're looking for an online tool which allows your students to put their knowledge into action, to sharpen their critical thinking skills, to have their own voice and also to engage constructively with others' opinions, to avoid talking over each other, and to explore all arguments and perspectives at their own pace, then this is the tool for you. This is Kialo.com, which allows you to open debate for the students. This is a debating platform which is powered with reason. There is a dedicated website for educators, which is kialoedu.com. And through this tool, you would be able to host classroom debates. There are sample assignments which are put up on the website, so you can check it out. You can also allow students to share their knowledge, to explore complex issues, and also to assess their learning. So let's see how does this work. So this is Kialo Edu, and here let's begin with creating our discussion. We can create our discussions over here. So let's begin with creating discussion. And you can make the discussion private, only shared with some set of people, or you can make it public. So let's create a private discussion. Now the discussion type could be a single thesis or multiple thesis. Example, single thesis, if you want to have a discussion on whether the earth is round. And so there could be claims regarding whether it is round or it is not round with reasons. And then the next one, which is multiple thesis, what shape does the earth have? And the questions, the thesis over here is that the earth is round, the earth is disc, earth is cubical. Now for each one, there could be pros and cons. There could be reasons in favor or against it for each one. So let's create a single thesis. So next, so let's, we have to put now the discussion title. So it could be lifting lockdown in Delhi wasn't a wise decision. Suppose this is the discussion which we want to hold. And then if you want, you can put in some background information over here. So you can add more information over here. Maybe you have already created the information on a Word document and then you can copy it and paste it over here. You can also add any link, maybe a link of an article which gives more details about it. So you can add a link over here. And then let's move next. You can also add an image to this. So let's see if we can add an image here. Now this says invite friends. So we will invite. Here it is that visibility, the discussion is private and can only be accessed by invited teams and users. So what you can do is you can enable a link. So discussion access link. So anybody with the link will be able to get it. So you are enabling this link. And once you have got this link, you can copy. And then this link can be sent to all those people whom you want to contribute in this discussion. So this way our discussion board is created. And now let's go back to home. This is the discussion board now. Lifting lockdown in Delhi wasn't a wise decision. So now people, whomsoever you have sent the link, will be able to put in their comments in pros and cons. Now let me also take you through one of the created discussion boards so that you can see how the contributions look like and what all things can you do with that. This is the online teaching is as effective as face-to-face. And there are arguments in favor and against, which has already been posted by people. Now, if you want to see, there is an overview over here. There are 4 arguments which are in favor. There are 2 arguments which are against. And if you click on each one, you will be able to see, if you say there is a possibility that for some of the argument which is in favor, somebody must have written an argument which is against it. So specifically for this comment, there is an argument against it, and so you can have a look at it. So you can have a look at this argument and you can have a look at this argument. Further, for each argument, what all things can be done? You can give your feedback on the claim, or also you can put your own comments over here if you wish to. You can check out all the comments which are there, and then you can write one more comment over here. Plus, it also provides you the option of course, editing if you are the one who is writing it. You can delete it if it's inappropriate. You can see what is the voting stats on this particular comment. You can bookmark it. You can extract this. So there are a lot of features which are there. Plus, one of the major feature to this is what is the rating that you're giving to this comment. Now, all the users have the right to vote. So whether it is medium impact or it is high impact, or if it is very, very high impact, so you can put it as what impact is there. It is given as 4. So if you have put as 4, it is showing revoke in case if you want to reconsider and you want to rate it as only high impact, okay, not very high impact. So you can change your voting over here. Depending upon what is the voting which is given to each comment, it will appear. So the one which is on the top will be the highest rated comment, the one which has got the highest voting. And the numbers are 1, 2, 3, and 4. So it's the average which is taken out, and then the comment is shown accordingly. So over here, students are able to read each other's point of view. They are able to comment on specific comments and put up their arguments. They are also able to see which ones are the most popular arguments. They are also able to see what the teacher says about it. And everything. So which means one particular topic is now being seen from all the perspectives, and voice of each and every student can be heard. So this is a platform which promotes critical thinking in students, a very easy to use platform, and something which is democratically providing everyone the voice. I hope you liked it, and I believe that you are going to be using it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll be coming back with more such tools which can be used for enhancing students' skill, increasing their engagement, and also how to formatively assess the students online. Thank you so much.